Money, it's more than just currency. It's a flowing spiritual energy. Nikola Tesla once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Well, that applies to money too. Let's break it down and see how grasping this idea can totally shake up the way we look at our finances. Stay with us till the end of this video, so you'll learn the real meaning of why money is a flowing spiritual energy and how you can master the flow. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. And many thanks for the subscription, as your support fuels us to bring you more interesting videos. So let's peel back the layers and get real about money as energy. Let's talk about facts in our real world. Money isn't just stagnant. It's in perpetual motion, flowing seamlessly from one account to another. And here's the punchline: it's not just a transaction. It's a profound transfer of energy, a tangible manifestation of trust and exchanged value. Think about it. When you get paid, it's not just a number on your screen. It's the result of your efforts, your time, and your skills being recognized and valued by someone else. Your employer is essentially saying, "Hey, I trust in your abilities, and here's the value you've brought to our team." Now, when you make a purchase, it's not just about goods or services changing hands. It's a reciprocal dance of trust and value. You're saying, "I trust that this product or service will enhance my life, and here's the value represented by the money I've earned." The intricate web of financial transactions we engage in daily is a testament to this constant dance of giving and receiving. Whether you're paying bills, buying groceries, or treating yourself to that coffee, it's a dynamic exchange of energy. Consider the global economy, a vast network where money circulates on a massive scale. Businesses, large and small, engage in this dance every day. Investments, loans, and transactions between countries, all manifestations of trust and value flowing through the veins of the economic system. This everyday act, where money is in perpetual motion, signifies the spiritual energy flow of money. It's not just a concept, it's a tangible, real-world phenomenon that affects us all. The more we understand and appreciate this, the more we can align ourselves with the positive flow of financial energy. Let's look at what makes money move and groove in our lives, the things that affect its flow. Imagine our money world like a big dance floor, swaying to different influences. 1. Mindset matters. First off, your thoughts about money are a big deal. Think positive, and you're sending good vibes that attract more money your way. It's like setting the tone for a good financial mood. 2. The law of attraction. Ever noticed how good things come to positive people? That's the law of attraction at play. If you're hopeful and upbeat, you're like a magnet for good money stuff. 3. Financial habits. Your money habits set the rhythm of your dance. Save wisely, spend wisely. These habits make up the beat of your money journey. 4. Giving and receiving. It's a bit like magic, but not really. The more you give, the more you seem to get back. Helping others or doing good stuff opens up the money flow. It's like a secret handshake with cash. 5. Surroundings matter. Your workplace, your social circle, and the financial scene around you play a significant role. When you're passionate about your work, it's akin to having a positive DJ pumping out good vibes for your financial rhythm. 6. Education and skills. Getting smarter about money and getting better at your job. It's like turning up the volume on your financial stereo. The more you know and can do, the more money likes to join the party. 7. Debt and financial smarts. Debt can be a tricky dance partner. Knowing how to handle it is like learning cool moves. It keeps the dance floor clear and the money flowing smoothly. Now, here's the deal. Understanding these things empowers you to take charge of your financial journey. It's about having the ability to steer your money in the right direction. The crucial part? Keep things positive and make smart money moves. This way, you become the boss of your financial dance. So we've talked about what influences the flow of money. Let's dive into some techniques to sync your energy with money and become a master of the financial dance. 1. Visualization. This one is easy. Just close your eyes and imagine money flowing effortlessly into your life. See yourself getting paid, making smart investments, and enjoying financial abundance. It's like creating a mental movie of your prosperous future. Remember, repeat this visualization regularly to sync up your subconscious with the energy of money flow. 2. Positive affirmations. Ever heard of speaking things into existence? That's the power of positive affirmations. They're crucial, especially if you've been surrounded by negative influences about money or if you've grown up hearing that money is hard to make. Positive affirmations are your way of rewriting that script. Convince yourself daily that you're a money magnet. Tell yourself phrases like, "Money flows to me easily," or "I am a magnet for financial abundance." It's like giving yourself a daily pep talk to reprogram your mind, making it truly believe that money effortlessly flows into your life. Consistency is key here. Repeat these affirmations until your mind naturally embraces the idea that money is indeed flowing effortlessly your way. It's like training your mind for a new money dance, one filled with ease and abundance. 3. Gratitude journaling. Take a moment each day to jot down things you're thankful for, especially in terms of money. Whether it's a paycheck, a sweet deal, or unexpected savings, acknowledging and appreciating what you have fosters a positive money mindset. It's like saying, "Thanks to the money universe." 4. Educate yourself, set clear financial goals, and budget. Knowledge is your financial superpower. Learn about personal finance, investments, and money management. Once you're armed with knowledge, set clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation or starting a business, goals give your money purpose. Now, create a budget. It's like giving your money a game plan. This budget ensures your money moves in sync with your financial goals, adding structure to your financial dance. 5. Practice generosity. Here's the secret sauce. Be generous. Giving back to others and supporting causes you believe in opens up the channels for more to come your way. It's like inviting more dancers to the money party. The more you give, the more you receive. 6. Stay open to opportunities. Be flexible and open-minded. Sometimes, unexpected opportunities can lead to new financial heights. It's like being ready to catch the next cool move in your dance routine. 7. Surround yourself with positivity. Positive vibes matter. Hang out with people who inspire good money vibes. If your immediate circle isn't so positive about money, consider joining financial seminars or webinars that have a positive outlook on money and investment. It's like getting into a money-positive groove. 8. Review and adjust. Like any dance routine, you might need to tweak your moves. Regularly review your financial strategies, adjust your steps if needed, and keep refining your routine. Flexibility is key. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly, it's about making progress. Incorporating these techniques into your financial routine will not only align you with the flow of money, but make you the maestro of your financial dance. So, keep these positive vibes flowing, stay open to new opportunities, and let's keep grooving through the world of financial abundance. So, now we have unraveled the secrets of the money dance, how it flows through our lives like a magical rhythm connecting us to the universe. We've talked about what affects this dance and discovered some awesome moves to sync up with its energy. Now, here's the real deal. Practice visualizing abundance, say positive things about money every day, be thankful, learn about money stuff, set goals, budget smartly, be kind, stay open to opportunities, surround yourself with good vibes, and always be ready to adjust your steps. And let's not forget about positive affirmations. They're like rewriting the script of your money story. If you've heard a lot of negativity about money, use affirmations to convince yourself that money flows to you easily. Repeat them until your mind believes it without a doubt. The big lesson? You're in control. Direct the energy of money in your life by keeping it positive. You're the boss of your financial destiny. So, as we wrap up, let's not just watch the dance, let's dance. Make good choices, build positive habits, and be open to all the amazing possibilities that money can bring. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support keeps us going. Now, go out there and dance with abundance. May your money journey be full of joy, success, and a smooth flow of wealth. Until next time, keep dancing, keep growing, and keep thriving in the money groove. Cheers to your prosperity.